Do you ever feel like you're stuck in a version of yourself that no longer fits? Like you're going through the motions, but deep down you know you're meant for more? Whether you feel burned out, invisible, off track, or just uninspired by your own life, it's not too late to change. In fact, it only takes one decision to begin the process of becoming someone new. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reinvent yourself and transform your life in just 90 days. No fluff, no hype. Just a real step-by-step strategy that works if you commit. Let's get into it. Most people overestimate what they can do in a week and massively underestimate what they can do in 3 months. 90 days is the perfect window. It's long enough to create real change, but short enough to stay focused. Studies show that the brain starts rewiring with consistent habits in as little as 21 days, but significant transformation happens in 60 to 90. That's when identity shifts lock in. 90 days is enough time to change how you feel, how you look, how you think, and how you move through the world. You don't just change results, you change how you see yourself. Here's the exact blueprint to start fresh, mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. Step 1, define the future you, be crystal clear. Most people try to change without a vision. That's like driving without a destination. Reinvention starts by asking, who do I want to become in 90 days? What kind of energy do I want to show up with? What habits would that version of me do daily? How would they speak, think, act, and handle challenges? Write it out. Give your future self a name if you have to. Make them real. Step 2, audit what no longer aligns. Before you can become someone new, you have to release the things keeping you tied to your old self. What habits, environments, people, or mindsets no longer match who I want to become? What drains me? What keeps me small? Cut what no longer belongs. Make space for the new. Step 3, choose your keystone habits, the identity builders. Not every habit has to change. Focus on the keystone habits, the ones that create ripple effects. Wake up early and move your body. Journal daily to reflect and reset. Speak kindly to yourself. Create before you consume. Pick 2 to 3 powerful habits and commit like your life depends on it. Step 4, create a 90-day commitment plan. Now it's time to turn your vision into a plan. Use this structure. Monthly focus. What one area will I master each month? Weekly milestones. What progress should I expect by the end of each week? Daily rituals. What non-negotiable actions keep me aligned? Don't wait for motivation, rely on structure. That's how you win. Step 5, act like it's already done. Embodiment. The key to reinvention is to stop waiting until you feel ready. You become by acting as if you already are. How would my future self show up today? What would they do first? What wouldn't they tolerate? You're not faking it, you're activating it. Step 6, document your journey. Reflection equals acceleration. Transformation multiplies when you track it. Keep a journal, shoot short videos for yourself, or just take notes weekly. At the end of 90 days, you won't just have results. You'll have proof that you've evolved. Now, I want to invite you to something powerful. Join me and this community for the 90-day Reinvention Challenge. Here's how it works. Step 1, comment below with the one identity shift you're committing to. Step 2, share one habit you're building to align with that version of you. Step 3, come back each week and track your progress with us. Who are you becoming in the next 90 days? And what's one habit you're starting today to support that version of you? The most powerful reinvention stories will get shouted out in a future video, and maybe even featured in a community spotlight. Reinvention doesn't require a new year or a new location or anyone's permission. It starts the moment you decide that who you've been is not the limit of who you can become. In 90 days, your life can look completely different, but only if you start acting like the person you're becoming today. If you're ready to transform, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone else who's tired of waiting for change. Let's reinvent together.